today I will be discussing alcohols. What are alcohols? What are the functional group present in alcohol? How alcohols are prepared? What are their physical properties? What are their chemical properties? How different alcohols can be distinguished, like with the help of Lucas Reagent test or Victor Meyer test, or by using copper 573 Kelvin or silver 573 Kelvin. So we will be looking at the chemistry of alcohols. So let's begin. First is CH3OH. It is also called methyl alcohol or methanol. Methanol is the opaque name of methyl alcohol. And C2H5OH, the most common alcohol, also called ethyl alcohol or ethanol. So alcohols are mostly prepared from haloalkanes, RX, aldehydes, RCHO, ketones, RC double bond O, R, carboxylic acid, RCOOH, esters, RCOOR, Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide, and fermentation of molasses. Molasses contains 30% of sucrose. So the fermentation of molasses is carried out, and in the first step, sucrose gets converted into glucose and fructose in the presence of an enzyme called invertase. In the second stage, glucose is acted by the enzyme gymase to form ethyl alcohol with the release of carbon dioxide. So this process is called fermentation, one of the oldest process, and it is a slow decomposition of organic compound using the enzymes from microorganisms like yeast. Physical properties. One of the most important physical properties is its solubility. That means lower alcohols are miscible in water. Lower alcohols are miscible in water. That means 1:1 ratio they are soluble. That means due to hydrogen bonding, the lower alcohols are highly soluble in water. They are miscible. So miscible means soluble in all proportion. Soluble in all proportion. As the molecular mass of alcohol increases, the solubility keeps on decreasing due to their tendency, because the tendency of hydrogen bonding decreases because of the bulky alkyl group, because of the presence of bulky alkyl group in higher members, like nonenol. Nonenol is practically insoluble because of its very bulky alkyl group. Now coming to chemical properties, you have to remember the acidic strength. So 1 degree alcohols are more acidic than 2 degree, 2 degree alcohols are more acidic than 3 degree alcohols. Alcohols on the other hand are poor acids as compared to water. Because the alkyl group is a plus I group. It is a plus I inductive group. So these are the acidic strength of alcohol. Now let's see the chemical reactions of alcohol. So alcohol reacts with H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius to form alkenes. Alcohols on the other hand react with sulfuric acid at lower temperature of 140 degrees Celsius to form ethers. Alcohol reacts with sodium to form sodium alkoxide. This reaction proves or gives the acidic nature of, or confirms the acidic nature of alcohol. Alcohol undergo oxidation to form aldehyde, which can further undergo oxidation to form carboxylic acid. Alcohol react with carboxylic acid to form esters. Esters have fruity smell. The alkoxide group comes from alcohol. Alcohol reacts with PCl3 to form chloroalkane. Alcohol reacts with PCl5 to form chloroalkane. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride to form chloroalkane. This reaction is the best method because the other products are gases like SO2 and HCl, which escapes, and therefore no need to purify the product, that is chloroalkane. Alcohol when treated with Grignard reagent gives alkanes. So these are the chemical properties of alcohol, student. You can master this very easily. So go through the chemical property nicely and you can easily figure out that what will be the reaction of alcohol with different substances. Now let's see the distinction of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols can be distinguished by Lucas test. That means Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is anhydrous zinc chloride plus conc HCl. The reactivity of alcohol towards Lucas reagent is 3 degree, more than 2 degree, more than 1 degree. So 1 degree alcohols do not react with Lucas reagent at room temperature. 2 degree reacts, gives turbidity after 5 minutes. And 3 degree alcohols give turbidity immediately. So Lucas reagent is anhydrous ZnCl2 plus conc HCl. The reactivity of different alcohols towards Lucas reagent is 3 degree, 3 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 1 degree. 1 degree alcohol, no reaction, 2 degree turbidity or cloudiness after 5 minutes, 3 degree turbidity immediately. That means 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree, more reactive than 1 degree towards Lucas reagent. Next is with copper or silver at 573 Kelvin. 1 degree alcohols react with copper at 573 Kelvin to give aldehyde. 2 degree gives ketones and 3 degree gives alkenes. 3 degree gives alkenes. Last is the Victor-Meyer method. For the distinction of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. A series of reactions are there in Victor-Meyer test. So you have to remember the trick that RBC 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, or RBC 123 degree. RBC 123. That means 1 degree give red blood coloration, 2 degree give blue color, and 3 degree do not give any color, that means colorless. So this trick will help you to solve the question based on Victor-Meyer test. So alcohols can be distinguished on the basis of Lucas test with copper or silver at 573 Kelvin and through Victor-Meyer test, which consists of a series of reaction in which 1 degree alcohol gives red blood coloration, 2 degree gives blue coloration, and 3 degree do not give any color. Now let's see the taste of alcohol. Alcohol has a characteristic wine-like smell because it is used to prepare a lot of different types of wine variants like wine, whiskey, rum, brandy, vodka, gin, etc. The percentage of alcohol in wine ranges from 3% to 60%. No one can drink 100% ethyl alcohol because it is toxic. Another test for alcohols is the famous iodoform test. So ethyl alcohol, when treated with iodine in presence of NOH, it forms a yellow precipitate of iodoform, yellow precipitate of triiodomethane, also called iodoform. Next is the third is the ester test. When carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid conc, it forms ester which has a fruity smell and water. So this reaction is a reversible reaction. So it is catalyzed by sulfuric acid. So the reaction goes in the forward direction. A fruity smell esters are formed. This reaction is also called esterification reaction. So these are the tests of alcohols which are very, very important. Now let's discuss some important terms or points regarding alcohol chapters. So monohydric alcohol. Those alcohol which have one OH group are called monohydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. Alcohols having two OH group are known as dihydric alcohol. One of the most important dihydric alcohol is called ethylene glycol, also called ethane 1,2-diol. It is used as an anti-fridge compound. Next is trihydric alcohol, which has three OH group. One of the most important trihydric alcohol is propane 1,2,3-triol, that is also called glycerol. Polyhydric alcohols, those alcohols which have many OH group like glucose. Glucose has 5 OH group. 1 degree alcohols, alcohol in which the OH group is attached to the carbon which is primary. 2 degree alcohols, alcohol in which the OH group is attached to the carbon which is attached to two other carbon, that means it is 2 degree carbon. Tertiary alcohols are those alcohol in which the OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon. Benzylic alcohol, alcohol which have the formula C6H5CH2OH, that means a benzyl group having a OH group is called benzylic alcohol. Alkanol, the opaque name of alcohol is called alkanol. The opaque name of alcohol is called alkanol. So it is derived from alkane by the removal of E and addition of ol. So the suffix of alcohol is ol. The prefix is hydroxy. Now hybridization of a carbon in alcohol. In saturated aliphatic alcohol, the hybridization of carbon is sp3. The bond angle is approximately 108.9. which is less than the tetrahedral angle of 109 degree 28 minute. Mechanism of acidic catalyzed hydration. So during the acidic catalyzed hydration, alcohols undergo, so first step is the attack of protonation of alkene. For the acid catalyzed hydration, alkene react with water to form a carbocation with the removal of water molecule. The next step is the nucleophilic attack of water on the carbocation, and third step is the elimination of a proton to form alcohol. So these are the acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes to form alcohol. Next is acidic strength of alcohols. Alcohols have an attached alkyl group. The alkyl group is a plus I group which decreases the acidic strength of alcohol. More is the number of alkyl group, lesser is the acidity of alcohol. So 1 degree alcohols are stronger acid than 2 degree, 2 degree are stronger than 3 degree. Now coming to phenols. Phenols are more acidic than alcohols because the pKa value of phenol is 10, whereas for ethanol it is 15.9, means approximately. That means phenol is a million times stronger acid than alcohol. Even alcohols are weaker acid than water. Next is dehydration of alcohols. When alcohols are treated with dehydrating agent like H2SO4 etc., alkenes is the major product. Alkenes is the major product. 3 degree alcohol undergo dehydration faster than 2 degree, 2 degree undergo faster than 1 degree. These are the important concept terms related to alcohol chapter. Let's see how methanol is prepared from water gas. So carbon monoxide, when treated with dihydrogen in presence of the catalyst zinc oxide, chromium oxide at a high pressure of 200 to 300 atm at a temperature of 573 to 673 Kelvin, gives methanol. So this is a very important reaction for the preparation of methanol. Methanol is a toxic substance. In lower amount it causes blindness. When a person consumes methanol by mistake in a lower amount, it can cause blindness, and at a higher doses methanol can kill a person. So a person can die while when consuming methanol in an excess amount. Now let's see denaturation of alcohol. The commercial alcohol is made unfit for drinking by mixing pyridine, which is a foul smelling liquid, copper sulfate, which gives it a blue color, and methanol, which is a toxic. So commercial alcohol is made unfit for drinking by the process that is called denaturation of alcohol. By the process that is called denaturation of alcohol. These topics are very, very important for your upcoming CBSE exam, IIT exam, Eamcet exam, Neet exam. So student, do prepare your alcohol very well. I have tried to give you a brief knowledge about the concept of every topic. So now from this background you can easily solve questions. Just go through the chapter nicely from your NCERT book and you will be able to handle the chapter that is alcohol, which is a part of alcohol phenol ether topic. In my next video I will be giving you some other topic like this. So do prepare nicely. All the very best. This is Sandeep sir signing off. Thank you.